So first I will discuss my code. Then in my models.py, I have a five fields, which is first name, last name, age, course, subject. Then in the views.py, uh, in the main view, uh, here it will load the home page. Then for the students' views, um, it retrieves all student details using student.objects.all.values, and then it displays all in the students list template. Then in the details views, uh, it retrieves a student using ID and displays the full information. Then in the add student functionality, um, it, it used to create a new student using student.objects.create. Then in the update functionality, uh, it updates the student fields and calls the student.save to apply the changes. Then in the delete student functionality, it retrieves the student and remove it using student.delete. And after I created the views, I connected them in the students' URLs using the path for the main, for the students, for the details of the students, add, update, and delete. Then I included the app URLs inside the main project URLs. Here is the app, which is the students.urls. Then I created a template for the main.html for the homepage. Then in the master.html as the base template. Then for the student add, for adding a new student, and student delete HTML for deleting a student. Then the student update.html for editing a students. Then for the student details.html to show the student information with update and delete buttons. Here it will show the student's first name, last name, age, course, and subjects. Then students list.html for to show all the students' name and last name and a add button. Then uh, I run the I already ran the server. So home is the main page, home page. Then go to students. If I want to update Kit Lacuna for integrative prog date. So the subject of Kit Lacuna is now integrative programming. Then if I want to delete, yes, Kit Lacuna is deleted. Then if I want to add again Kit, IT save kit is already added.